Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome. Ever wondered what a thriving modern city looks like from a unique perspective? Today, we're taking flight to give you an exclusive aerial tour of Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. From its historic roots to its vibrant, rapidly developing skyline, OKC is a city of resilience, innovation, and surprising beauty. Get ready to soar above its diverse neighborhoods, iconic landmarks, and expansive landscapes, discovering the heart of the Sooner State from an entirely new angle. 1. Downtown's dynamic skyline, a city reborn. As we ascend, our first focus is the dynamic downtown Oklahoma City skyline. Imagine the drone gently rising, revealing a captivating blend of historic architecture and sleek, modern skyscrapers. Picture the prominent Devon Energy Center, its distinctive glass facade gleaming in the sun, standing tall amidst other impressive high-rises. You can see how the city has transformed, with a clear view of the massive revitalization efforts that have reshaped its core over the past decades. It's a testament to OKC's forward-thinking spirit and rapid growth, showcasing a city that has truly reinvented itself. 2. The Oklahoma River in Bricktown, waterfront vibrancy. Drifting slightly, our view shifts to the Oklahoma River, a central artery that has become a hub of activity. Imagine the river flowing gracefully through the city, flanked by the vibrant boathouse district with its unique, modern boathouses and Olympic-level rowing facilities. Picture the charming canals and pedestrian bridges of Bricktown, the city's historic entertainment district, buzzing with life even from above. You can spot the water taxis cruising along, connecting various attractions. From this height, you truly appreciate how the river has been transformed from an industrial waterway into a recreational and social centerpiece, offering a lively urban waterfront experience. 3. Iconic landmarks, history and remembrance. Our aerial tour wouldn't be complete without acknowledging some of Oklahoma City's most significant landmarks, which tell stories of both progress and resilience. Imagine our drone gently hovering over the solemn yet powerful Oklahoma City National Memorial and Museum, its reflecting pool and field of empty chairs offering a poignant tribute from above. Picture the historic state capitol building, its dome proudly showcasing Native American influences, standing grandly amidst its grounds. You can also spot the sprawling Myriad Botanical Gardens, a green oasis in the heart of the city, with its distinctive Crystal Bridge Conservatory. These landmarks serve as visual reminders of OKC's rich history and its enduring spirit. 4. Sprawling suburbs and green spaces, room to grow. As we expand our aerial perspective, the sheer scale of Oklahoma City's sprawling suburbs and abundant green spaces becomes evident. Imagine vast residential areas stretching out, characterized by their wide streets and numerous parks. Picture the large recreational lakes like Lake Hefner and Lake Overholser, looking like sparkling jewels against the urban fabric, popular for sailing, fishing, and lakeside trails. From above, you get a sense of the spaciousness that defines much of Oklahoma City, offering residents plenty of room to grow, with accessible outdoor areas for recreation and relaxation. 5. Crossroads of America, logistics and connection. Finally, our aerial view perfectly illustrates Oklahoma City's strategic position as the crossroads of America. Imagine seeing the intricate network of interstates and highways converging, making OKC a vital hub for logistics and transportation. Picture the extensive rail lines and the presence of major distribution centers. You can also spot Will Rogers World Airport to the southwest, a busy gateway connecting the city to the rest of the nation. From above, it's clear why Oklahoma City is not just a regional center but a crucial economic link in the heart of the country, embodying connectivity and opportunity. Conclusion. As our aerial journey concludes, we hope this bird's-eye view has given you a fresh and compelling perspective on Oklahoma City. It's a city that continuously evolves, blending its rich history with dynamic modern development. From its impressive skyline and revitalized riverfront to its vast green spaces and strategic location, Oklahoma City truly shines from every angle, revealing the vibrant spirit of the American heartland. Outro. What did you find most striking about Oklahoma City from above? Are there any other hidden gems you'd love to see from an aerial perspective? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking aerial tours and unique urban insights. Thanks for watching.